Wall Street, NASDAQ, the stock market. We hear these terms everywhere. But what are they really? Is it just where rich people trade stocks? Or is there something bigger going on? To get it, we have to go back, not to a building, but to a tree. Welcome to Capital Craft, where we turn complex finance into something that actually makes sense. Today, the origin of Wall Street, the rise of NASDAQ, and why it all matters for you. Let's go. It's 1792. New York is still young. And under a buttonwood tree on Wall Street, 24 traders meet. They're not wearing suits. They're not backed by big banks. They just want to trade ownership in companies, paper for paper, person to person. This simple act becomes the birth of the stock market in America. That moment, it created a new way to grow wealth by owning a piece of someone else's success. That was the first major stock exchange in U.S. history, and it all started under a tree. Over time, the handshake turned into systems. The tree became a building. Paper shares became digital entries. But here's where it gets interesting. Wall Street isn't just one place anymore. It's now a symbol for two massive forces. One, the traditional exchange, with live traders, loud voices, and old-school energy. Two, NASDAQ, fully digital, lightning fast, and home to the world's biggest tech giants. You can think of it like this. The old-school exchange is Broadway. NASDAQ is Netflix, fast, digital, and scalable. Both help companies raise money. Both let investors, like you, own part of the action. But they do it in very different ways. Here's the real kicker. When you invest in stocks, you're not just placing a bet. You're buying a slice of a business. And it doesn't matter where that stock is listed. Because in the end, you're owning part of a company that's working to grow, earn, and succeed. That's what Wall Street is really about. Turning business ownership into something the public can access. That means you. Let's recap. Wall Street started under a tree with 24 traders. It became two major stock exchanges. One traditional, one digital. NASDAQ helped tech take over. You don't need to be rich to invest, just informed. And thanks to modern apps and fractional shares, the door is wide open. Wall Street isn't a mystery. It's a marketplace for ownership. It's how capital flows, how companies grow, and how regular people build wealth over time. So next time you hear Wall Street, don't picture chaos. Picture a tree, a handshake, and the idea that ownership should be for everyone. Subscribe if you want to build wealth without the fluff. Comment below. What's one thing about money that still confuses you? We'll break it down. This is Capital Craft, and your financial upgrade starts here.
Brought to you by Capital Craft, mastering wealth, one step at a time. Till next time.